Alright, so not everybody has Photoshop because it costs money these days. And so I'm just going to show you a way that you can do it on your phone. I'm on an iPhone, so I'm going to run to my app store and I'm going to type in PixArt. So PixArt, and it's this first one right here with a P. So I'm going to go ahead and open that. We are going to click that little plus sign that's purple to create a new picture. Here's the image that I'm going to be working with. I grabbed this on Google. I just typed in Mac folder and it pulled up. So you want one that has a transparent background. This one was a PNG file, so that's what we're going to be working with. And you want that clear background. Okay, enough chit chatting. Let's get to work. So let's make this file way cooler than what it is. So you can change the color by going to effects, going to colors. Here we have negative. That's pretty cool. Color gradient. So here's your hue, and once you click it again, you can pull this slider and you can select any color of folder that you want. So I'm gonna go with that gradient one, and I'm gonna push apply on top right. And you can actually go back again where we were with the hue. Where were we at? Hue. And push it again. And now we can change that gradient to any color that we want. I'm kind of digging those colors right there. So I'm gonna apply. And you can add a picture here. You can do anything you want. So we're just gonna put a text, and I am gonna name it screen recordings. So I don't have one for that yet. So screen, oops, recordings. And I like that. And I'm just going to center this as much as I can. How about right there? And so now, if you scroll over here, these are all the different fonts we have. But if you go to see all, you can search what you want. You can go through all of them. So I want something, you could even type in like Halloween. Oops. And here we have a bunch of different fonts. You just click the one you want, and I kind of like that. I'm digging that. So let's kind of make it longer. Right there. And now we can change the color. We can go to styles. This is going to change your font, but there's all these. So I'm going to hit none. But if we go to color, now we can change the color. So I'm going to go with that color. I just want a plain Jane stroke, like so. I want to be able to read it. And you can change the opacity, so if you don't want it so dark, because that's a little bold, it doesn't really go with the background, so we're gonna lighten it a little bit right there. And you can actually do this blend mode, where there's different ones where like that one is just the outline. Different ones do different things. That's pretty cool. I wanted to keep it natural, but I'm really digging that one. I wonder what that would look like with the opacity up. I'm kind of digging that. Yeah. You can add a shadow. You can just adjust the opacity, the blur, the position of it. So if you wanted it like that, a little bit more up. And the color as well. And we'll just keep it black. And apply. And if you press and hold the picture down, you can preview the before, and there's the after. And that is how you make the file. If you can push next and then go through the whole save process, but if you press this little arrow up here next to the back button, it automatically saves into your folders. You don't even have to click JPEG or anything like that. But if you wanted a JPEG, PNG, or a PDF file, which we want a PNG because we want that transparent background, so we're gonna click PNG and we're gonna save. My desktop's gonna look like so much cooler now. Alright, so this is my MacBook Air desktop, and this is the original folder or file or picture. And this is the file we just did on the phone. So I airdropped it to this computer. So same thing that we did if you watched the video on how to do it on Photoshop. So we're gonna double click the picture we just did, which is this one. And you want to make sure it's in preview. We're gonna go to edit, copy, and we're gonna close it out because we don't need it anymore. And then this is the file that we want to change. So we are going to right click, get info. Click this little folder here. Don't double click, just single click. And you want to make sure that it's just highlighted, so it's got this little blue highlighter around it. And then go to edit and then paste. And you can exit out now, and here is your new folder now. So I feel like we should have went with the black outline. So I'm probably gonna redo it again. So this is what it's gonna look like now. Yeah, so have fun and redecorating, customizing your boring blue folders. I'm tired of seeing these blue folders. I want them to look like cool. So hope this helps. Enjoy, have fun, and we'll see you in the next video.